Just push down.
If you guys are hearing.
Yep.
First time.
Yeah, but yeah, we're only trying to get sponsored by like the quality, quality stuff, bro. Yeah. Like we're not trying to get sponsored by.
Oh,
That's playing.
that is gonna.
That's
gonna be.
That's just playing. I mean, who wants to be sponsored? See that?
It looks clean, but when you use the clay bar, sometimes stuff comes out. Don't be a perfectionist. It is tedious. Maybe like that right there. You know, that's like the hard parts right there. That's like where those right there, that little edge. You can see. That's where it's getting crazy.
Shout out to Nankang wheels.
Yeah.
Nankang tires, bro. If you know, you know. I was playing.
Nah, dude. Even in Japan they use these.
Nankang, right? Y'all got the Philippines.
What you doing over there, bro? Buffing them out? Yeah. Oh, the birthday boy. Almost. We got a tight window.
I shouldn't have kicked it.
Is it coming off? Yeah. Okay. What you got? You can do it. You can do it. Damn. Look at them strokes. This guy putting the effort. Look at that. Yeah, get your jersey.
Can you use a bumper?
This is how the wheels look like before Gio is working on them. So that's gelée. That's the pretty good stuff from ammo from Larry. Look at that. Yeah, so it's kind of it's a nice protectant. Look at that. Yeah, there you go. All right, I'm gonna help Gio out.
You have to fast forward.
And we're done.
Yeah, we're almost there.
All right, what are we doing now?
We're gonna
What is
sand.
this?
Do the first pass
First pass of.
on sanding.
Okay, so
This is when it kind of looks sketchy, so
that's
don't
fine.
trip.
that's fine.
If it looks like it's not correct.
No worries. Yeah, check out this S14.
Okay.
Yeah, but this will be on the next episode.
You know,
Here we go.
there's
Here we go.
if we got caught in a rain.
Here we go. Oh, it's all
condition,
about my
there's actually
wipers.
No wipers there. What's up
No
with that?
wipers. It's for style, bro. It's for style.
Okay.
We live in California. We don't really worry about rain too much out here.
Okay.
But yeah. I ain't no but
This is a child-friendly.
oh yeah, that's right. Sorry, we don't want to get demonetized.
Yeah. Complaining music
All right,
too.
hey, you can blur that out.
Okay.
All right.
I probably will. Even if you didn't ask me. So you ready to see it get scratched
Yeah,
up? Okay.
yeah.
Sorry, dude.
With no water?
No water.
Are you kidding?
This first pass is no water.
Are you
I know you're
hey,
stressed out.
chat. Hey, let me know in the comments if this guy's
No,
doing this right now, bro.
you gotta
He's doing this with no lubricant whatsoever.
No.
All right.
Not yet. Well,
All right.
You gotta see all that stuff.
Point of no return, I guess.
Pretty much. Trust me.
Point of no return.
If it doesn't work out,
Talk about point of no return.
I'll
Alright.
get you a replacement.
Ooh.
You heard that
Ooh.
right. First on YouTube.
Nah. Can't do it.
What
like
do you
that,
think?
bro. Can't do it like that.
Over there.
So, here we go. Smoothing it out. Here, let's go in there. Let's get in there, actually.
It's getting caked up now. It's right there. Yep. Get a grip.
30 minutes later. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
You know, I can't rush perfection, guys. Look at them strokes. This guy knows how to do it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta manually zoom out one little. Ooh. The Rupes, or how do you pronounce it? Rupes. Rupes.
Why?
Why is it considered the best in the business?
Well, one, it has a long stroke. So the smaller, more
This guy would know about
affordable
strokes.
one. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Smaller, the more affordable versions
Yeah,
of it.
You know?
We don't have to name it, just in case they want to sponsor us in the future.
Yeah. Hey, shout out to.
We'll take it.
Shout out to. For.
This time.
We love them.
It does more of this
Yeah.
type of motion.
Tools.
A little bit of this, but
Yeah.
the root pads, it does this.
Yeah, it's the swiveler swivels.
Long stroke. You know what I'm saying? Long stroke. That's one reason, and then also for the, for us old guys,
Yeah.
you can use this on a whole car, and your body won't feel all the vibration.
Okay, so it's pretty smooth.
So it's smooth device.
Nice. So is it made in Germany? What is it?
Yeah, you know what?
Where is it made in?
Of course, this one is
Shenzhen, China. No, sorry, no.
this is a European type of polisher.
Taiwan #1.
The company originates in Italy,
Okay.
but
Right.
with this one at least, it was Italian components assembled in USA.
Yeah, right.
But on the larger versions,
Designed in Italy, assembled in Taiwan.
I don't want to
Kind of like Apple. Designed in California, assembled in Shenzhen, China.
I'm just saying.
Man, shout out to the Chinese people, man.
Of course.
We love y'all, man. I love Chinese food. Here we go.
Okay, so
Here we
as you
go.
can see, this is a brand new bottle of compound.
This guy going all out. What kind of compound is that, Mike?
It's Megwars,
Guars. All right.
but it is the D300 correction compound. So this
Why
is
do you have a big of a bottle, man?
They got a lot of cars to do.
That's what's up.
I got your car. I got the.
Oh, don't say it. Don't say it.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
don't.
right,
You know what I'm
can't
saying?
say it.
You
It's a
can't
little
say it
secret.
right now. Yeah.
He's gonna have to see
Yeah, see
maybe
it.
20 more episodes until you see what's gonna be there. But I just trust me, it's gonna.
All right.
It's gonna. Your mind.
For sure.
Okay. So, one thing to do with these, make sure the microfiber cloth thing is clean, and you want to prime the pad.
Okay.
And all that is just trying to
Do little dots.
little dots.
There we go.
That's all you need. But
Ooh.
just
This guy.
don't judge. But we're just gonna prime the
This
pad.
guy. Thought it was ketchup.
And you just want to do little swirls and stuff like that. Just make
Okay.
sure that everything is
Yeah.
covered.
This guy.
And then,
Yeah, he likes to play with everything he
Yeah.
touches.
so just we'll kind of go in like that. Yeah.
All right, here we
And then
go.
this looks like it's going backwards, but you actually clean it off.
Yeah, why is that? Why is that? Why
All you're
did?
doing is priming the pad. That's all it
Okay,
is,
okay. So
priming.
you don't want it too much.
You don't want too much.
Yeah.
And then after this, then we go into
See this, guys? If you're a detailer in a third world country, would you recommend wasting?
no, you probably
Dude. No, this is some first world country stuff right here, man. This guy. And then he's just gonna wipe it off. He's just gonna wipe it off.
no. This time
Okay, okay.
we're good right here. So.
Alright.
Okay.
This guy's a wasteful. No, I was playing. I'm just
Sorry.
kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright. This guy.
Do I know what I'm doing,
He's
or
yeah.
do I just watch enough YouTubers to fake the dial?
Yeah. So I don't know what this guy is doing, but he's not even turning it on. Whoa. A little too fast, buddy. Slowly, bro. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Wow.
Okay, that's good. First pass.
That was your first pass already?
Yep.
Okay,
You got a little. You got some tiny headlamps.
That's quick.
You can't really can't hit it too hard.
Alright.
It's got this little, horizontal.
Yeah.
Just like, you remember
Yeah.
back in high school?
Yeah.
This is a parallelogram.
Yeah, it's not looking too good, buddy. That's why.
Come on now.
Trust me, guys, it looks better in camera. That's why. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, guys. I'm just playing. Looks better in camera. Try to be real out here. Nah, try to cheat y'all, you know, just regular guys, just like you and me. Good day out here in California. It's been working out, as you all can see. Got the guns out.
We're eating a lot.
Yeah, just proteins.
Or like carbs.
This guy's on that keto diet.
Okay.
No, actually not. He's on that seafood diet.
Seafood.
Seafood, he eats it. You know, massage it in. Looking good. Looking good. Holy smokes.